The results from our experiment showed that when we found the value of the resistor, it was also equivalent to the voltage across it divided by the current through it. This is known as the Ohm's law equation. It can also be put in this triangle as shown here, and it's useful in this form when you have to try to rearrange the equation. If you had to try and find the resistance, put your thumb over R and you're left with V over I. That means the resistance equals the voltage divided by the current as shown here. However, if the question required you to find the voltage, then it would be thumb over V, leaving I beside R, which means V equals I times R. If you put your thumb over I, you're left with V over R. So I equals V divided by R. In this particular question here, you're asked to find R. So the equation is R equals V divided by I. If you gather your information, V is equal to 9 volts and I is equal to 0.5 amps. You're required to find R. The equation, the form you want it, is R equals V divided by I. These values, 9 divided by 0.5, the answer equals 18, and the unit for resistance is ohms. The answer is 18 ohms. So the rest of the calculations that you'll do will be using this Ohm's law equation, where you will have two values. If you have to find V, V equals I times R. If you have to find I equals V over R. And if you have to find R equals V divided by I.